Good afternoon, everyone. I will show you how to slaughter a chicken. Hi everyone, I will discuss our reproductive system of chicken function. Esophagus, transport food from the mouth to the stomach. Next, crop, a punch in the esophagus used to store food temporarily before having it on the stomach. Next, liver. Liver has numerous functions as the digestion and absorption of foods. That's it.
Yo.
Next, gizzard. The head part of the stomach is specially modified for grinding food. Next, yes, gallbladder. Aids in the digestion of fats. Next is proventriculus. Is the glandular stomach where digestion primarily begins. Small intestine. Aids in the digestion and nutrient absorption. Kaika. Play a role in the transport of water, sodium, potassium, and chloride. The dominant effect being that of sodium transport. Is the single posterior opening for a bird's digestive, urinary, and reproductive tracts and eggs used to excrete and lay eggs. Intestine, primarily to absorb water, dry out indigestible foods, and eliminate waste products.